Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on iPhone. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Method 1. How to enable dark mode from settings. Tap on the Settings icon from the apps list on your iPhone. Then it takes you to the Settings page. Scroll down a bit to find the Display and Brightness option. Tap on it. There, you will find all the settings related to the display of your iPhone. At the top, you will find the Appearance section with two options, such as Light and Dark. Now, the iPhone is in light mode, as the light option is checked in. Tap on the dark. Then the whole appearance of the iPhone will be turned into dark. That's it, dark mode is enabled on your iPhone. Method 2. How to enable dark mode from Control Central. To launch the Control Central on the latest versions of iPhone, you need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. If you are using the older version of iPhone, then you need to swipe up from the bottom of screen to launch the Control Central. In the Control Central, you will find the brightness bar. Long press that brightness bar to make some options visible. It makes 3 options to become visible, such as Dark Mode, Night Shift, and True Tone. Tap on the Dark Mode option to turn on the dark mode. That's it, the appearance of your iPhone is turned dark. Method 3. How to enable dark mode on iPhone automatically. Tap on the Settings icon from the apps list on your iPhone. Then it takes you to the Settings page. Scroll down a bit to find the Display and Brightness option. Tap on it. On that page, under the Appearance section you will find Automatic option. Tap on the slider to turn it on. And it makes an option to visible with which we can customize the automatic settings. Tap on it. Then it shows 2 options as displaying in the tutorial. By default, the options is set to sunset to sunrise, which means the dark mode will be tuned on automatically after sunset. If you want to set particular time for the dark mode, then tap on the custom schedule option. It shows 2 options along with timer. Tap on the timer to schedule the modes. This is how you can schedule and turn on the dark mode automatically on iPhone. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.